how to share project on CapCut PC. So if you want to share your project, then first open up your CapCut application. Once you open your CapCut, now here you can simply go for create project and you can choose a video. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. If you drag that to the bottom, and now once you open your CapCut, if you want to share this video, then what you can do is simply go for share, which will be on the upper right. Click on the share, and once you click on share, yeah, now you need to first export your video to share it. So simply export your video at first. Once you click on export, then it will export the video. So here it says that it has been exported or it will be exported to E drive. So you need to simply open up that location where it will be exported or where it will be downloaded. So for me, the file is this one. It will be saved here. So what you can do is simply right click on any one of that videos, and then you can simply go for share from here. From the share, now you can share that video. So that's how you can share your videos from your CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.